In this tutorial I will show you how to use the master volume control. You find the master volume in plugins and master volume, you enable it, and then it appears here in the center of the screen. This is a slider that you can slide up and down. You can resize it and decide which volume the panorama will start at. And let's say 50 here, enter, and goes to 50, and it will start at 50 next time I reload here. And you can also move it around the screen. Now it is down here. I can have it vertical. I can change the way it is, invert the direction it has. Now it is full volume here. Now the full volume is from up and down, and you can change the color scheme for it. Gets a greenish color there, reddish or whatever you choose to use. And just move this here, and you can also record a function, so you can have like this here icon. I can take this speaker icon here, make it static and non-scalable, and have that in the lower left corner. I have to put those values to 0, and then I will move it a bit out away from the slider. This icon here is now just a JPG image, but I can control I can make it control the sound volume by going to functions, make another function, record. Now it's recording, and then I go to the master volume here, and I can put the volume down to 0, enter. I go back to functions, stop the recording, and this is the function that was made. And this has to happen instantly, 0 milliseconds. It will be on click, and it will happen when I click this hotspot here. So I say finish here, and let me reload. It should start at 50% there, and then when I click it, it goes down to 0. And click again, it's a toggle button, so it goes back up to 50. And this is how you make a function for the global volume. If I go down here now and reload, it will go back to the 50%. So you need to set the value. You can do that in the plugins master volume to set the initial volume. Set 100 here. And then goes down to 0, and this goes up to 50 because it was recorded when it was 50 before. Or you can go into the hotspots 2, click the arrow here, go hotspots 2, and here you can also set the global volume. Let's say 25, goes to 25 there. And you can also make the recording for the button over here.